Hi, this is Bala Reva. Today we are going to see how to export the Excel to PDF and XSP format. Before that, welcome to Bala Reva EVPath YouTube channel. Please subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon. First, you have to install the package. Go to the Manage and Package, select all package and search the package name as balareva.excel and select the package and install it. Save. Okay, now the package is installed. The activity is, when you navigate in the activities panel, you can able to see the Bala Reva Excel, and inside the workbook you have an activity called export workbook. So this is the activity we are going to use to export the Excel as PDF and XSP format. So here you have to select the file, Excel file. So I am going to select the Excel file. The file name is financial sample. Okay, so before we execute the process, let us see the file. So this is the information we have inside the file. So I'm going to export all these sales information. I think this is sales information. Yeah, the sales price. So I'm going to export all these records as a PDF format. Assume that I don't know the range. Okay, so here the sheet name is, I think it's a sheet 2. Okay, so sheet 2, it doesn't have the passwords for modified password and file password. So we are going to use only the file. In the cell range, when you give with double quotes, 2 double quotes, it's an empty. So if it is an empty, automatically it will take the used to range from the Excel sheet. Okay, and what it's saying, we have to use the export path. It's very important. So I'm going to use the path, the same one with the name as PDF. Okay, here I'm going to change a PDF. Okay, that's all. Before that, you have to close the Excel file. Okay, I'm going to execute the process. It's good, it's completed. Okay, you can see the output now. So this is the Excel file. Okay, it's opened, and in the same path we have saved the PDF file also with the same name. Okay, so I'm going to zoom the document. You can see all the record has been exported into a PDF file. Now it has 15 pages. Okay, so this is the way you can able to export the entire Excel file. That means entire sheet in a PDF format. Okay, so now I have to export some specific range of information as a PDF file. For example, I want to export only the 15 records. So in that case, you have to specify the range. Here the range is, the first cell always we know it's A1, and the 15th record, the F column is F15. So here I am going to specify the range as A1 colon F15. Okay, I'm going to change the file name as 1 file. That means 15 record as 1 file. Okay, so before that I'm going to I'm going to close the Excel file and I'm going to execute the process. Okay, it's done. Let us see the output. Yes, we have the file sample 15. See, we have only the 15 records. So this is the way you can able to export a data Excel sheet to PDF. The XSP format is simple. When you change the format type, it export as a XSP format. Okay, thank you for watching this video. To get more detail about this activity, please visit balareva.com.